Our ice cream truck is back, you guys. It's playing in the middle pitch. Sounds like our ice cream truck haven't came to the other side in a long time. Just our side a bunch of times a day. The ice cream truck is turning. Now it's going straight. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, my friends.